What is up there, beautiful people? Today we're speaking everything that's related to the Senzo Meyiwa case, as things have just got a bit more interesting and obviously more confusing. Obviously, this trial is not the most straightforward trial, and there's been so many theories as to what actually happened the day Senzo Meyiwa was murdered. So in the court yesterday, defense lawyer advocate Malesela Defo has claimed that an eyewitness, will testify that Bafana Bafana captain Senzo Meyiwa was shot dead by mistake by his girlfriend, singer Kelly Khumalo. So Defo is the advocate that represents 4 of the men who have been accused of killing Meyiwa at Khumalo's house in Vosloorus, Boksburg, on the 26th of October 2014. So he introduced this version of events by a witness who has not yet been called to the stand while cross-examining the state's first witness in the Gauteng High Court in Pretoria on Wednesday morning. So basically, he stated that a witness would testify that Meyiwa was shot by Kelly Khumalo using a revolver that belonged to Ulongwe Twala. So for those of you who don't know who Ulongwe Twala is, he's the son of musician Chico Twala, and he was actually one of the people that were at the house at the night of the shooting. And at the time, Ulongwe was dating Kelly Khumalo's sister, who was Uzandile, basically, or still is Uzandile because she's still alive. So Defo claimed that after Meyiwa had been shot, a meeting was held between the people in the house and the high-ranking police officers, as well as former Gauteng Community Safety MEC Sizakele Nkosi Malubane. So according to the advocate, according to Defo, who did not substantiate his claim, a plan was hatched at the meeting to conceal the truth about Meyiwa's death and stage the scene so that those in the house would not be held responsible. And honestly speaking, I 100% believe all of this, because I watched the Netflix documentary on what exactly happened to Senzo Meyiwa, and basically in that documentary, I believe it was said that after the shooting happened, when the people came there to investigate, they found that the crime scene had actually been cleaned. And I say this in air quotation marks because obviously nothing has been proven in a court of law yet. And staging in terms of, there was this hat that people believed belonged to the suspect, or the person that was responsible for the shooting, that was placed right in the middle of this then cleaned crime scene, which has led people to believe that this was actually a staged crime scene. So obviously these claims are not really, I think in my personal opinion, they're not too far from the truth. Obviously I know that, I don't know, I suspect that Senzo Meyiwa was killed by one of the people that were in the house there that evening. And honestly, it's very, very sad. Obviously he was married, and you know, he was having an affair with this woman and then subsequently passed away in this woman's home. I do believe that the intent was not to kill him. I mean, I don't know how you kill someone by mistake, but I do believe that definitely the intent was not to kill him. I do believe that the people in the house possibly went in there and an altercation happened of some sort, or you know, a fight broke out of some sort, and then that subsequently led to him being murdered that night. But I do 100% believe that somebody in that house knows what happened, and especially Senzo Meyiwa's best friend at the time. I just forgot what his name was, because there's been claims that whenever that guy gets drunk, he does say that, you know, people in the house, or some people in the house, murdered Senzo that evening. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, all of this is being alleged. Nothing has been proven in a court of law. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next upload. Goodbye, lovelies.